can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to drink. You can fight within your powers, but what will be will be. You cannot break a bond that is so strong, a bond built in true love, a bond built in true.
Is this not Kevin's number? How come? Check my phone. How did he get Rita's number? And why is he calling her?
Oh, and I was looking for my phone inside. Right. Excuse me.
What is going on here? I don't understand what is happening. Why is Kevin calling Rita? I don't understand.
My night was fine, and yours? Where are you? Really? Okay. So, did the mother still come? And what did she say? Baby, I am sick and tired of this hide and seek game. When is it going to end? It is high time you held the bull by the horn and let your mother know the truth.
Morning. Good. I'm off to work.
Are you not taking your breakfast?
No, I'm late already.
What is it?
Mom, Kevin has refused to take his breakfast. I don't know what I've done to him. He's hell-bent on ruining my life. Nobody should blame me if I do anything crazy tomorrow.
What is that? Have I not assured you that I'll settle this matter?
Look, Mom, Kevin has gone far with his outside affairs. Something happened this morning.
What happened? Huh?
Mom, I don't want to tell you about it now because...
Because what? Because what? Don't you have confidence in me anymore? Talk to me.
I do. I have confidence in you.
Talk to me. I have told you I will settle this matter. I will fix it. Tell me what happened.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to...
Peter! What is good about this happening? Where's your husband?
My husband is not around.
Madam, I am not here for jokes. Go in there and call your husband.
Hey, stop shouting at me, because I'm not your wife. I said my husband is not at home.
And you think I'm blind? I saw him as I was coming in, running inside. Go in there and call him. He must give me my money today.
Okay, so Wadoro, if he comes back, I will tell him what
Comes back from here. I said, go in there and call.
No, come.
Go.
If you see
I said you must give me my money.
Hey!
See,
You will kill my husband.
see.
You will kill my husband for me.
I am ready for anything.
You are
Just
ready.
give me my money. Peter, do you know you are a wicked man? I paid you for charter to take me to my in-laws. And you took my money and off your phone. And you are here talking rubbish. I need my money.
I didn't off it to it is the battery.
I don't want to know.
Eh?
I need my money.
I will pay you.
Agree
See,
on him.
see.
You will
Please,
kill
oh.
him.
If anything he wants to, I will give it to him. Yes.
You will give me.
If you kill him, I will not marry you.
You are killing me.
Who wants to marry you?
Please, I will
All
pay
I
you.
want is my money.
Leave him.
My money.
You will kill him. Oh.
My money.
Peter. Peter.
Hero.
Peter.
Beat.
Hey. Give me him.
Beat.
Yeah. Peter. Hey. Peter. Hey. Peter.
Rita!
Hey, I'm in the bathroom.
Oh, are you going out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kate, are you still there?
Yes.
I'm coming out. I have something to tell you.
All right.
Could it be that they've known each other? Kelvin and Rita.
Has it gone? Amaka, has Victor gone?
Peter. You mean to tell me that you faked it?
Before gone.
Hey,
So you don't know the husband that you married? Hey! Look, the way the man was holding my neck. I know that if I don't fake it, the man was going to injure me. And now, if he comes here again for his money, he will pay damages.
Hey! You know you have sense. I don't know you have this kind of sense.
What kind of insult is that one? You mean I don't have sense before? Are you sensitive than me? What's wrong with you?
See, you made my mind to skip. Oh, I thought that you are dead. I said, if I pour this water on you now and you did not wake up, I will go straight to the police and report to them so that they will go and arrest Victor.
That one is not necessary. Victor does not know the kind of person I am. He was joking with me. Now, that is 20,000 naira is gone.
Bagam.
And we are going to obtain more from him. Yes.
See, had it been that you've been applying this kind of sense ever since you married, by now, you would have become a millionaire.
Maka, stop insulting me.
Huh?
Yeah, stop insulting me.
How am I insulting you?
If you want to cause a small child, you praise the father. That's what you are trying to do here.
Hey! Chima! Hey! Where am I going to get money? Get you what I go.
Wow.
Vivian never asked me. You nearly killed my husband. Now you're asking me to calm down and asking me what happened. What do you want me to tell you?
Where's he now?
Hey! I rushed him to the hospital. Now doctor is demanding for 50,000 naira. Now doctor is demanding 50,000 naira. Where am I going to get that money from? He said I must bring 50,000 before he will commence treatment.
What?
Hi.
Wait, where's the hospital?
Huh?
The hospital.
Oh, you want me to tell you where the hospital is so that you go there and finish him up and kill him? Chukwaju, I will not even marry you. You want to kill my husband?
Anyway, calm down. Wait, calm down.
Yeah.
See, here is 30,000. Give it to the doctor. Beg him to collect this money and start the treatment first. Huh?
How much?
This is 30,000.
Victor, have you seen it? Have you seen it? I said it that you're a wicked man. You're very heartless. I told you now that the doctor said we should bring 50,000 and you're giving me 30,000, which means you want my husband to die. You think if he died that I will come and marry you? I will not marry you, oh. I will not marry you.
See, this is all I have now. This is 15,000. Making it 45.
45,000.
And
you will bring the remaining 5,000. No?
that is not a problem. 5,000 is nothing.
5,000 is not.
Go and give it to the doctor to commence treatment.
Just pray that if I give him this one, that my husband will survive, because he's in a critical condition.
Nothing happened to him.
Yes, please start to go. I hate to see you around me. You nearly killed my husband. Start going. Hey, even if I pay this money, please help my husband. Let him not die. Hey. Hey! Let nothing happen to my husband, Let nothing happen to my husband, Hey!
How can you claim what does not belong to you? Greediness first,
Let
then
nothing happen to
destruction
my husband,
follows. Come out your eye from letting no be your owner. Evil people everywhere.
Let nothing happen to my
Wicked
husband,
people everywhere. Patrolling like hungry wolves.
Zara, I've told you to stop brooding over this matter.
Mommy, I'm afraid I'm going to lose Kelvin.
That will not happen. Just calm down. It's not happening. Calm down.
Mommy, I swear, if I see that girl again, I will kill her.
No. You're not killing anybody. What is killing? We're not killing anybody.
I can't even believe this is happening to me. What have I done to Kelvin? All I've done is to be a good girlfriend. I don't have any other man in my life except Kelvin.
And he used to boast so much about that. He told me how much he trusted you.
Then why is he doing this? Mommy, do you know Kelvin told me to my face that it is over between us? He almost threw my things outside if not for your intervention. What have I done to him?
I've told you not to be afraid. Okay? I know how to handle Kelvin. Just leave it to me, okay?
Okay.
When it's time, just let me know, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Relax. You worry too much.
Okay, Mom.
Why am I feeling like this? I feel so uneasy. So restless. What's wrong with me?
Sorry for keeping you waiting, my dear. Now we can go, but when we get there, allow me to do the talking, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Let's go.
Okay.
Life is good.
All the time. Osia, after we finish this now, we'll go inside and complete it with Ifediche.
My husband, you're making my body to be sweetening me.
Let us
close to it.
Osia, it's good to have sense, so. Huh? All of a sudden,
Too much sense.
the hunter became the hunted.
Haunted.
Eh? Somebody that I was owing now paid me more than twice the amount that I was owing.
Hey!
You see that guy?
Sense good though. Sense will not kill us.
Look, this our combination is very good though. You know computer, you have hardware and software. I am the hardware. You are the software. So once I on like this, baby, you program, you do the programming, you run it, and you deliver.
I'm the master planner, and you are the chief executioner.
No, okay. That is true. Because you are the one who is running the program. Then I execute. You,
I'm too much.
What of the chicken pepper soup?
The
It's
chicken
on fire.
It's still on fire.
Good.
See, after we finish this fish pepper soup, we will use the chicken pepper soup to download it, digest it, upload it, and uplift it.
And consolidate it.
And consolidate it. Hey!
Give it to me, give it to me.
Oh, you are making my body to be sweetening me.
You know, you have a very good husband, very understanding.
Hey.
So, you know, that man is still owing us 5,000 naira.
The remaining 5,000 naira is for me alone.
What did you just say?
I heard you well. That 5,000 that is remaining, I will use it to barb my hair and carve it. You know the two lines you always like me to put. I'll carve it here. Then paint my nails, do pedicure and manicure. So that I will shine for you. I'll be shining and glowing.
This is where I have problem with you. Modern day girls are talking of bone straight, human hair. You are talking of Babylon. This one is law already. You are looking like an old woman with this one.
You told me to always cut my hair.
Who told you that?
I'm trying to save money for you. You are talking about bone straight. Bone straight is 300,000, 500,000. Will you give it to me?
Go and bring the balance of that money because he gave us 45,000 naira. Now, if you calculate the cost of preparing this fish pepper soup, the chicken pepper soup, and maybe some of these drinks, it's not up to maybe 5,000-7,000. Go and bring the balance.
I kept it well. I know where I kept it.
Okay.
I kept it well.
I'm going to keep this one well. Yes, and in fact, that chicken pepper soup on fire belongs to me, except to give me my money. I am the owner of that money. Were you the one that fainted? Why didn't you faint with me when I was fainting?
When you fainted, are you the one that brought that got that 45,000 from him?
I don't understand.
If I did not tell him that you were in the hospital, would he have given me that money?
Was I not the one who gave you the key? Didn't I tell you that you're going to pay more?
If I didn't execute it and plan it, would he have bring that money?
Why are you the software? I am hardware, you are the software. All I need to do is to give you the key. Then you program it. Now tell me, look.
Give me this fish.
Give me my money.
Okay, I will not bring the money.
Then you will not eat from this fish.
So let us see the money and the fish, the one that is bigger. I will hold the money. I will hold the fish, chicken pepper soup.
Amaka, bring the money.
Which money?
Amaka, bring that money. That money is mine. Bring that money. Amaka, bring the money.
Money.
At the time, I thought you're not coming again.
My own time. I gave you my words that I'll come.
It's so wonderful and so nice to behold your beautiful face again.
Thank you.
Can I ask you for a favor?
Go on.
Are you going to do it for me?
I don't even know what you want to ask.
Don't you trust me again?
Of course, I do.
So should I ask, are you going to do it for me?
Ask. And it shall be given unto you.
Okay. Do you remember the picture you came with to my office the other time?
Mm-hmm. Why do you ask?
I want it.
Why? And is that a favor you wanted to ask?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll give you. With all pleasure.
Then?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter either of us who is in possession of it.
Let me have it then. What?
I can't find the picture.
Is that a kind of ploy not to grant my request?
No. I left the house with it.
And suddenly you're looking for it.
I had it in my bag. Did you take it?
No, I did not. Did you see me touch your bag? Maybe you unconsciously left it at home.
No, I'm sure about that.
Amaka, say leave my trouser.
Peter, give me that money. Give it to me. Nothing on earth will make me leave you until you give me that money.
For the last time, Amaka, leave me. Look, I will give you a uppercut, oh. I will give you a uppercut, oh. Okay, if you don't want that one, I will give you Kung Fu, oh. Here, snake in the monkey shadow.
You here.
Amaka, okay, you want me to give you elbow? I'll give you elbow. Leave my trouser. I'll give you elbow. Hey,
is it paining you?
Oh, the neck, eh? You know the doctor said I should come back.
Peter, will you stop that? Which doctor? Your wife told me you were rushed to hospital.
Was that a lie? Eh? You are not happy that the doctor treated me in record time and saved my life. Is that what? So you go and jubilate. If I had died, you come?
No. Are you saying you just regained yourself immediately?
Victor, it was out of pity that the doctor discharged my husband. Hope you came with the 5,000 naira, the remaining 5,000.
What 5,000 are you talking about?
The doctor said we should bring it.
Victor, are you saying that you didn't come with the 5,000 naira to give to my wife to go and give to the doctor? The doctor said we should bring it this evening so that he can give me further treatment. Got my neck. In fact,
hey! Both of you are talking nonsense. Or say 5,000.
Wait, Amaka, you still have your mouth to talk. Is it because when I was there, my wife told me that he wanted to arrest you and put in police cell, and I said no, I know the man very well, don't arrest him. That is why you are talking like this. Where is my phone? I will have to call the police. Do you even know the degree of your offense? Now let me count it for you. Attempted murder.
1.
Conspiracy to commit murder.
2.
Second degree murder in attempting.
3.
Then the combination of both attempting and murdering at the same time.
4.
Come, take time, oh. Go and bring my phone.
You are in for bigger something.
Now listen. Both of you have failed.
Eh?
Yes. Uno fail, Lugo.
Wait.
Oh, you think you can dupe me and go scot-free? I'm back. Like I said before, both of you have failed.
Okay.
Hey! Allow me. And you will hear from me.
Okay, Victor.
Onugia, this your deck?
Victor!
You've not seen anything. You will hear from me.
You are not happy that my husband is alive.
You will hear from me.
You are not happy that my husband is alive.
Ossie husband.
Look at this man.
Ossie husband. Don't worry.
As you are going home with the 5,000 naira you are going to bring.
Okay, Victor. Zukwani Ike. Eh?
You know where it's going.
You asking me?
Because this one is going now. We don't know his plan. Oh. Are we safe?
How did you? You want me to answer you? Don't ask me stupid
Are you not
questions.
the program?
Are you not the reason for this? Eh? See, the way this man left this house, in the next 10 minutes, he will be back with the police. And by that time, if we go come, you will not see me in this.
If I don't see you, who will do the programming? Hey. Wait for me, I will go with you.
Hurry up. Lock the door.
Hey, Amaka, I left my phone on top of the bed.
Oh, hurry up now. Go and bring it. Peter, hurry up. We don't have time.
I'm coming. I'm also looking for my wallet.
Hi! What kind of a man is this? Eh? Kí ló dé mọ́ for the fa?
Look at here now.
Uh-huh.
This thing cannot work. Oh, you have won.
Do it well.
Let's do quickly. Do what well. Let's go.
Where are they running to? Hey! Where are they running to? Eh? This one you want to fall. Don't fall. Don't break your leg, Peter.
Listen. Look, what are you here for? As you can see, we are going to somewhere. What is it?
Sorry to disappoint you. I am here to see you.
To see me? Sorry. As you can see, we are in a hurry. You can come back next time. Please, let's go. Let's go.
You're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Give me the keys to my brother's house in the city. I say you should give me the keys to my brother's house in the city. The house key. Give it to me.
Did our brother meet you in your dream and told you that he handed over the keys to me before he died?
Peter, don't worry. You people can sort out your problems. And when you're done, you'll meet me.
And you call yourself my wife? You are abandoning me?
Because give me the car keys. I'm going. Later you meet me.
Are you going to leave me?
I said give me the car keys.
Did you come with this police?
Madam, move back. They are criminals. This woman
Criminals?
and the husband.
Who is a criminal?
Mr. Man, you have to remain silent, for whatever you do or say will be used against you in the court of law.
Hey, you woman, where are you going to? Come back here. Officer, look after her.
You see yourself? You are abandoning your husband.
What
What is it, sir? Every time you have to remain silent. You have to remain silent. And you come to arrest. Okay, how will I judge my case if I remain silent? What is it? What did I do now?
Hey, Peter, shut up. Let me talk to this gentleman. My brother, gentleman, please. I want to beg you, before you arrest him, allow him to give me the keys to my brother's house in the city.
Madam, that does not concern you. Yes, you can sort yourself out with them when I'm through with him. Officers, to the car.
Move them.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, move. Mr. Man,
Don't
you move.
push me.
Bala out.
Oh no,
Hey. Move. You move.
Peter, you are an Amaka. Hey! I've never seen people like you. Criminals. Ndioshi. Hey!
That girl had the guts to attack me in my man's office. I will never allow her to take my man from me. Not even Kelvin's mother will stop me. Nobody.
Are you alright? What happened?
I'm okay.
What happened to your hair?
It's breeze inside keke.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Anyway, you forgot this inside the room, so I have to.
Thank you. You mean to say you know Kelvin before you came here? Yes. We were lovers, but we lost contact.
And you would have started seeing each other again without you telling me.
Kate! Oh! So it was your plan, right? So you brought this stupid friend of yours to my house in order for her to snatch my man from you, right?
I don't understand what you're talking about here. You don't understand what she's talking about. You don't know. What did I tell you the day I sent you out of my son's office? What did I tell you? So your mission is to tie your friend to my son, eh?
No, please, ma'am. Please. Kate knows nothing about this. I was just trying to explain to her about Kevin and I before you both walked in. I have known your son years before now.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, he's the one who deflowered me. And truth is, there is no way I am letting anybody take him from me.
Never! You're saying that to me? You're saying that to me? You're boasting nobody can take my son from you? You are a thief. You are a bloody thief. Let me tell you. My son is engaged to Zara here. And the date for their wedding has been fixed. Did you get that? Let me warn you. Stay away from my son if you really value your life. Last warning.
With all due respect, ma'am,
Better.
I will lay down my life for the one I love.
Oh!
I am not giving Kelvin to anybody, not even you. He is mine and mine alone.
Then you will have to die.
Yes, you will have to die because I will not allow you reap from where you did not sow.
I contributed to Kelvin's success, so therefore, I would never allow another woman to reap the fruit of my labor. Get that into your head.
You're a joker. Kelvin is my life and I his. We are inseparable. Ask him. He'll tell you it's over between you both. The next time you try this, I'll make you regret your life.
Hey, Zara, save it. Save it! Save it. You'll hear from me.
Where's my mom and Sarah? Let it not be that they've gone to attack Rita in Kate's house. I won't allow this happen. I have to rush there immediately.
Kelvin. Kelvin, you did this to me? How? What have I done to you? What? How could you be so wicked? So you've been deceiving me all this while?
I didn't deceive you. You deceived yourself, my friend. You deceived yourself. You killed the love I have for you the moment you start suspecting me, accusing me of sleeping with my secretary. How dare you?
Kelvin,
are you crazy or something?
Kelvin, now listen to me. I want you to stop saying that, girl. Unless you want me to kill myself on you.
Mom, you are making a mistake.
I am not. I'm not making any mistake. Let me tell you, the only girl you're allowed to marry is Zara here. I don't want you to bring or make the move of marrying any other girl. If you dare make the move of marrying any other girl, Kevin, I will kill myself. I don't care whose virginity you have taken in the past. Try me. I will kill myself. And that is final. Let's go!
Kevin, I am so disappointed in you. Never in my wildest dream will I believe that you could do this to me. I will make Rita pay for this. Bet it.
Kate, I want to apologize to you for not telling you about Kelvin and I. I had it in mind to tell you, but I didn't know how to, considering that Zara is your friend. But honestly, Kelvin and I love each other so.
That was then, Rita. Rita, that was then. Kelvin is now engaged to be married to Zara. Why do you allow the past to mislead you?
Kate, you would do the same thing if you were in my shoes.
It's a lie. I will not be so foolish to destroy a wedding that has been fixed already. Rita, do you know what you've cost me? Zara was the one that secured a job for me in a place of work. Now you've destroyed the relationship.
You don't have to blame me.
I will blame you 100 times, Rita. What you did was totally wrong, both in the eyes of men and the eyes of God.
Kate, are you not going to say anything about my virginity which I lost to him?
Are you the only one that was deflowered? Listen, the man responsible for mine is no longer in my life. Do I need to kill myself because of that? Answer me.
In other words?
Leave Kelvin alone. Zara is his fiancée. Allow them to get married in peace. Just pray to God for him to give you another man. Okay?
Okay. Thanks for the advice.
I needed to tell her the truth. So this girl has been in my house and she was hiding to go and see Kelvin without letting me know. She's a betrayer. This girl is so wicked.
Zara, you have to be up and doing from now. Do you understand me? You have to be up and doing. One whose house is on fire does not go about chasing rats.
Mommy, what have I not done?
You have tried your best. Yes, I believe, but there's one thing left. There's one thing left.
I don't understand.
You have to get pregnant for my son. Yes. To get pregnant for him. That is the only weapon for victory in this battle.
No, how is that going to be possible? Kevin doesn't allow me into his room. How am I going to do that?
See, just leave that to me. I will make sure you start sleeping in that room from now. Zara, you are a woman. Use the power of a woman. Eh?
I'm not sure this is going to be possible. You know, Calvin.
See, I don't like this. Stop being negative. Stop being negative. Something must be wrong somewhere. My son has never been stubborn to me. That useless girl must have given him something. Obviously, Zara alone cannot do this. I have to do something.
You cannot break a bond that is so strong. A bond built in true love. A bond built in true love. Cause no matter what, no matter the fight, and the obstacles, what we be will be. 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 No matter the challenges and obstructions, no matter the delay, what we be will be. What we be will be. What we be will be. So why plan evil for a harmless fellow, knowing too well it's not the right way to follow? Hey, what goes around must come around. So tread with caution. You can force us to the river, but cannot force it to drink.
Home. Hey! Ekene, this is you! This is you!
Mama.
You're welcome.
Yes,
You're welcome. Hey!
Mama, how are you doing?
I'm fine, very fine. I'm very fine. How are you?
I'm good, Mama.
When did you come?
I came back 4 days ago.
4 days ago.
Yes, Mama.
And you didn't even bother to call me?
No, Mama. I've been trying to reach you, but network was bad.
Yes.
Network was bad.
1, 2, 3, 4 days. And you're sleeping comfortably. Ekene?
I said I've been trying to reach you, Mama. It's network.
Ah.
Yes.
So how is business?
Business is fine. Thank God.
Yeah.
You like it?
One of your cards.
Oh, Mama. This is what I'm managing.
Yeah! What did you say? Manage. 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 Hey, what? What are you saying? Take it. You are welcome. You are welcome, my son. Ekene,
Mama.
you are looking handsome every day.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Try,
You are
look
looking
at you.
good too.
Let me look at you very well. Hello, my son.
God has been faithful.
I know.
Yes.
Let's go inside.
Okay, Mama.
Mama,
what do you have?
I have to. Don't worry. I was just trying to prepare.
You're trying to prepare all you have prepared.
Don't worry. I have no face. Salad, your favorite. Hey. So let's go. Yes, I forgot. I forgot to ask you. Bring it. Where I begin to set the table up.
Mommy, Sky is not there.
You mean you don't know when he left?
No, I was in your room. He was gone by the time I came out.
It doesn't matter. Don't bother yourself, okay? Just keep sleeping in that room. One day something will happen. Hmm?
Okay. Mom, are you still going back today?
Yes. But I'll wait for him to come back.
I miss you. I wish you can just stay with us and not go back. At least Kevin will not be doing all this thing he's doing.
It's okay. I'll be coming from time to time. Let me go take my bath and get ready. Okay?
Thank God for this woman. She made the battle easy for me. At least I get to sleep in the same room with Kelvin. Mom? Hello, Mom. Are you serious? Ekene is back. Okay, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming. Some good news.
Hi, Kate.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Kate, I'm just coming from the house and I couldn't find Rita. I've been trying her number and it has not been going for 2 days now.
Well, I don't know her whereabouts for now.
What do you mean by that?
She left my house 2 days ago.
Are you trying to say that you don't know where Rita is?
I don't know.
Please, can you help me at least locate her? I need to see her.
I'm sorry. Like I said, I don't know her whereabouts for now. Excuse me.
How can Rita just disappear into thin air just like that? And Kate is saying that she doesn't know her whereabouts. What's going on?
So you wanted me to tell him Rita's whereabouts. Thank God for the answer I gave him. I wouldn't have told him the truth in the first place. What's going on here?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? What are you trying to do?
I'm leaving. Let me just go back to my father's house.
I don't understand. Did I ask you to leave?
No, you did not. I just want to go back. And thank you so much for your hospitality. I really appreciate it. You're serious about this? Yes. And don't be angry. Don't worry. I'll visit you from time to time. Thank you.
I am happy they are both separated now. Rita switched off her phone since the day she left here.
What we be will be. What we be will be. What we be will be. No matter the challenges and obstructions, no matter the delay, what we be will be. 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 So why plan evil for you?
So who exactly is that lady? I want to know. Who is that lady?
She's a friend to my friend Kate.
Huh? Don't get me confused. Explain it to me. It is right. Who is she?
Okay. You know Kate's my friend.
Yes.
She's Kate's friend.
Okay.
Her name is Rita. But honestly speaking now, I was very happy that Kelvin's mother was there to witness the whole thing. If not, it would have looked like I fabricated the whole story.
But why is this guy behaving like that? Sleeping with women here and there? But don't you think you should let him go?
Huh? What did you say?
Let him go.
Yeah. It's the way you're tired. Just go inside and sleep. Go and rest. And stop speaking English. Do you know how many years my daughter has put into this relationship?
It doesn't.
And you think I will allow that boy use my daughter? Like a piece of rag and just dump her? Mommy.
Okay, Mama. What if Zara gets married to this guy? I end up sleeping with all the women in the world.
Don't bother yourself. When we get to that bridge, we will cross it. When he finally gets married to my daughter, I will teach him what to do. Just leave that on alone.
Mama, prevention is better than cure.
Akene, you don't know the story. You don't know how it started. Look, I would rather kill than have another woman take what belongs to me. It is that deep.
Well, let's not be as if I'm interfering, but you people have to be very, very careful.
Biko, before I forget, where is my own parcel from South Africa?
Don't worry, Mom will take care of that.
I don't understand. Why is Mom taking care of it?
She will give. Everything is in her control. Don't worry. Come on, calm down. Calm down.
So your mother-in-law has gone back?
Yes, she has gone back. It's just me and the son now.
Okay, no problem.
A bond that is so strong, a bond built in true love, a bond built in true.
Mom, as I'm talking to you now, Kelvin is not at home. I don't know. I have been calling him, but he's not taking any of my calls. Look, Mom, I am very worried about him. Where will he be by this time of the night? It's 2:45 a.m. Oh, okay, Mom. Mom, please try and call him. Maybe he will take your own call. Okay, I'll call you back later. Okay.
You can fight within your powers, but what will be, will be. You cannot break a bond that is so strong.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. I'm sorry, ma, you cannot go.
I'm sorry.
You cannot what?
Can't go.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm sorry, he's not on set now.
She's still talking. Did you ask about the former secretary and how she ended her job here? Maybe you should do. The next time you try and stop me here, you won't like it. Yes. Thank you. He's not really here. What's going on? And he has not been to the house for the past 2 days. Secretary! Hello? Ma? Secretary! When was the last time my husband came to work?
2 days ago, ma.
2 days ago? Do you have any idea why he has not been to the office for the past 2 days?
No, ma.
So you're saying you don't call him on phone?
No, he called 2 days ago, saying that we are really for some time, but I should bother about him.
So you're telling me that you don't know his whereabouts? So what if I find out you're lying to me?
No, ma, I'm not lying to you.
You sure you're not lying to me?
This one, let me see.
Please manage this one. Eh?
No, I only you have 200.
Manage this one. Okay. Eh? Manage this one. I don't have. Eh? Manage. Thank you. But I thought Peter said Rita ran away with the key of this house. It looks like somebody is in this house. What is happening here? Okay, let me. Whoever that is inside should come out.
Meaning of what? Excuse you.
Excuse what? Where is the food that you said you were preparing for us? Look at the table bare, empty.
I never said I was preparing any dinner for you people. Huh? I am just having my dinner.
What? Look. If this is a joke, Rita, stop it. Now go inside that kitchen and prepare dinner for two of us.